Picture a flock of flamingos. What color comes to mind? Pink, right? But here's a shocker. Flamingos aren't born pink. They start life with gray feathers. So how do they transform into those iconic pink birds we know and love? Buckle up, because we're about to uncover the colorful secret behind these fabulous feathered friends. Let's rewind to the beginning. A baby flamingo hatches, all fluffy and gray. As it grows, something magical happens. Its feathers start to change color, slowly turning from dull gray to vibrant pink. It's like nature's own time-lapse transformation. But why pink? The answer lies not in their genes, but on their plates. Flamingos get their rosy hue from their diet. It's all thanks to a pigment called beta-carotene. You might recognize this name from your multivitamin bottle or that carrot you had for lunch. That's right, it's the same stuff that gives carrots their orange color. In the wild, flamingos feast on algae and tiny shrimp-like creatures. These foods are packed with carotenoid pigments, including our star player, beta-carotene. As flamingos munch away, their bodies absorb these pigments and deposit them in their feathers, skin, and even their beaks. Think of it like this. Imagine if every time you ate cotton candy, your hair turned a little pinker. That's basically what's happening with flamingos, except their cotton candy is a buffet of algae and tiny crustaceans. The more beta-carotene-rich food a flamingo eats, the pinker it gets. Some flamingos even turn a deep red or orange, depending on the exact mix of pigments in their diet. It's like they're walking, squawking mood rings, with their color reflecting what they've been eating. Now, you might be wondering, why don't other birds that eat similar foods turn pink? Great question. Flamingos have a superpower. Their liver can break down carotenoids into smaller, absorbable components much more efficiently than other birds. They're like the carotenoid processing champions of the bird world. But here's a fun twist. A flamingo's pink isn't permanent. If a flamingo's diet changes and it stops getting those crucial carotenoids, it can actually start to lose its pink color. In zoos, caretakers have to make sure flamingos get special food with added carotenoids to keep them looking fabulous and flamingo-y. So next time you see a flamingo, remember, you're not just looking at a pretty pink bird. You're seeing a walking, living example of you are what you eat. These birds are literally wearing their diet on their feathers, showcasing nature's incredible ability to transform food into living color. Who knew that staying pretty and pink was all about eating your veggies? Or in this case, your algae and shrimp? It just goes to show, sometimes the most fascinating science facts are hiding in plain sight, right under our noses. Or should we say, right under those fabulous flamingo feathers.